Hi, my name is Kim Holder, and I am the Director of UC Enterprise Products and Solutions here at Colt. In December 2025, BT Openreach will be turning off the public switched telephone network. This means that all PSTN phone lines will need to move to voice over IP services in order to support the increased demands of modern communications. To meet the PSTN switch-off deadline, customers need to be considering the options for replacing these services with voice over IP solutions. There are lots of choices, and it's important to choose a service that provides the quality and simplicity customers need to get on with the day-to-day activities that really matter to their organisation. Colt has the expertise and resources to help you move to highly reliable, high-performance voice over IP solutions quickly and easily without disruption. We can also help you build the foundation for fully integrated voice and unified communications. Why don't you book a free consultation with one of our experts by clicking on the link below to find the best future-proof solution for your business?